Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favorites. Items I'm going to include. These are some sesame crackers with olive and oregano. I have some Danish style butter cookies. I have some Brazil nuts. I have bourbon vanilla coffee. I have ginger tea. I have my honey spoons here. Cracker Barrel makes a pairing board, and this includes sharp cheddar cheese and pepperoni, and also has some crackers in as well. I have 2 napkins with a flower napkin ring, and I will be using these 2 mugs. Okay. All right, so I'm going to turn my tray. So what I'm going to do first is put in my cheese and my meat. Next, I'm going to put in the sesame crackers. I'm going to put in the Brazil nuts. I'll try the cookies here. I'm going to put these mugs here on each side. And I'm going to put just a little bit of shred in the mugs. So what I'm going to do is just put the napkin in, and I'm going to put a honey spoon in as well. Napkin and a honey spoon. Okay. And then for the coffee, I'm going to use a Blue Dot. And just place the coffee on top of the cookies. And then the tea. I'm just going to put the tea right here in front of this. I could lay it down. Okay. Then I'm going to put just a little bit of shred throughout. Let me make it a little bit smaller here. Okay guys, so this is going to be the design. I don't want to use any shrink wrap for this, so I am going to double it. I'm going to make sure what I'm going to do is overlap it at the bottom and tape it on the bottom. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just take it, drape it over the top of the tray. tape. And I'm going to secure this first piece of plastic under the bottom of the tray here. This is just an idea to give you an idea on, you know, how to lay it out and how to set it up. But the ingredients, you can let your imagination run wild and just refrigerate it until you're ready to deliver it or the person picks it up. And what I'm doing is tying a little jute around each end of this cello wrap. Okay, so now I'm going to decide what type of bow I want to put on each end. So let's see what I have here. Cut this jute string down. I don't want that to be visible. So like I said, once you get it sealed, refrigerate it until it's time for pickup or delivery. And I'm going to enjoy the contents of this one here. So I don't have to worry about refrigerating it or anything. I'm just doing this as an idea, guys. Different gift ideas for the holiday. Okay, guys, and it turned out just beautiful. Oh, one of my spoons just, well, I'm going to leave it there. But it's a good idea to tape everything down. You can tape these honey spoons inside the cups, and that will be just fine. Just tape down everything. So I have the Just For You string on each side. Take down everything and refrigerate it, and you're ready to go. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this gift. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.